Just a little video just explaining how to line the shroud up. As you can see, this is the same adapter ring that you have on your grinder, and you've got the 3 fitting holes. On your shroud, you have 6 holes. As you can see, 3 of them, this one, and this one here, are towards the inner ring, and the other 3 are further away. So there's more of a gap between the inner ring and the actual bolt hole. When you're lining it up, you need to line up with these inner holes, not these outer holes. When you then line that up, I'm just going to do it here on the desk. And then if I just pick that up. So now, it's not easy to hold it all in with one hand. You've got a hole straight through, and on that one, and on that one. They all line up on those inner 3 holes. So rather than trying to line it up on the outside, if you line it up the inside, you shouldn't have a problem at all. If you do get stuck, please shout. Thank you.